Okay, so we were at step 9 and putting these metal connectors to the corners of the feet side of the bed. So I don't know if it's, yeah, so I think it's pretty clear how it looks. Yeah, so it's like this. So it's only from this side, and that side it will be headboard. Okay, so I actually skip step 10, 10, 15 according to this manual and go to step 16 just to finish this frame. And the reason for this is that just frame without this middle planks took 2 hours at least to finish. And I did these planks, so it took me another half an hour. So just all frame with planks, but it's ready to for box and for the mattress. So at least to have bed to sleep overnight if you don't have time to spend on headboard. And so it's not really difficult to attach these planks. So you just use this spacer just to put equal uh, equal size gaps between them, and you use the screws. You have them in a separate plastic bag. It's B, and I used my screwdriver, and um, and I use my drill uh, for this part, for central part, because here there is no space for drill actually to get there. And not really any troubles, but some planks, you see it was the really off, the plank, the hole was off, so I need to put the screw right in the wood. So this is the result. 2.5 hours. And next is headboard.